Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Are you tired of spending countless hours writing essay and still not getting the grades you deserve? What if I told you there is a way to get high quality undetectable AI content for your essay? Sounds good to be true. Well, stick around because today we are diving into EssayGPT, the AI-powered tool that can revolutionize the way you write essays. Whether you are a student struggling to meet deadlines or someone who wants to improve their writing efficiency, EssayGPT has got you covered. So what exactly is EssayGPT? It's an advanced AI writing tool designed to generate human-like essays that are virtually undetectable by plagiarism checkers and AI detection softwares. With its sophisticated algorithms, EssayGPT can produce the content that matches the style and tone of a real human writer. So the link is available in the video description. After login, here you can see we have different options like generator, writer, scholar chat, and we have different popular tools like essay rewriter, essay extender, and essay checker. And with generator option you can generate plagiarism free essay. Here you need to write the topic of your essay. For example, I want to write an essay on digital marketing. Then choose the essay type like basic, descriptive, narrative, persuasive, and comparative. Then you need to choose the word count, for example 100 to 200 words, 200 to 500 or 500 to 800 words. Then choose the language, it supports multiple language. Then you need to click on undetectable mode and click on one click generation. And here it is, the output content seems to be human written, but the big question is, will your professor know it's written by an AI? The answer is no. EssayGPT writes in a way that are similar to human writing. From here you can see word counts, character reading time, and speaking time. You can copy the whole text and you can download it in Microsoft Word or PDF. Let's copy it and test it. We are going to check it on three major AI detection tools: Originality.ai, ZeroGPT, and CopyLeaks, to see if it gets flagged. The first one is Originality.ai. Let's see the results. And here you can see the results. 100% confidence, likely original. And next we have GPT-0. We will check the same essay through this AI detection tool. And here you can see the result: 92% human, 4% mixed, and 3% AI. And next we have CopyLeaks. Enter the essay here, click on scan icon. And here you can see the results. AI contains 0%, human text 100%, and here you can see the total words. EssayGPT is not just for essay, it's offer a wide range of writing tools to help you with a type of academic or creative writing, so you can write outlines, generate titles, brainstorm ideas, and even work on research papers, case studies, or lab reports. Let's write a case study on AI. Simply enter your topic and let's EssayGPT do the rest. And done. You can review the content. Click on continue writing to expand or adjust the length to make it longer or shorter. So here you can see the word count, character reading time, speaking time. You can copy it or download it into Microsoft Word or PDF. EssayGPT also offers a scholar chat option. If you need some quick help or have a question, just use scholar chat to get instant answers and guidance. And if you need reliable sources, that research button will find and suggest reference to strengthen your work. Here we have different field of study options like medicine, chemistry, biology, physics, geology, and different publications type like news, study, book section, etc. And you can also choose the date range. And the third one is Scholar Chat. You can ask a question and get science-based answers backed by 200 million plus papers. And in the tool section we have different tools like essay outline generator, essay rewriter, essay topic generator, essay extender, essay introduction generator, essay shortener, essay checker, essay hook generator, essay conclusion generator, thesis statement generator, research title generator, abstract generator. So if you are looking for a reliable, efficient and undetectable way to write essay, give EssayGPT a try. You can find the link in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.